Hook, is your Sony Smart TV stuck in a reboot loop? Does it keep restarting again and again when you turn it on? Don't worry. In just 2 minutes, I'll show you 5 quick and easy fixes to solve this problem. Step 1. Soft reset. First, perform a soft reset. Unplug your TV from the power socket, wait 1 to 2 minutes, then plug it back in and turn it on. Many times, this instantly fixes the issue. Step 2. Power drain. If the reboot loop continues, try a power drain. Unplug the TV completely, then press and hold the power button on the TV itself for about 30 seconds. This clears temporary glitches. Step 3. Check remote and accessories. Sometimes a stuck button on your remote or connected device can cause constant reboots. Remove the batteries from the remote and disconnect any HDMI or USB devices, then restart the TV. Step 4. Update firmware. If your TV turns on after resetting, check for a software update. Go to Settings, Support, Software Update and install the latest firmware. Outdated software is often the reason behind reboot loops. Step 5. Factory reset. As a last option, perform a factory reset. Press and hold the power plus volume down buttons on the TV, then plug in the power cord while holding them. Keep holding until the reset screen appears. This will erase all your settings but should fix stubborn issues. Outro, and that's it. By following these 5 steps, your Sony TV should be out of the reboot loop. If nothing works, contacting Sony support is the best option. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes.